Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact input format so parsing is reliable. Use a language parser or lightweight library to convert the string or timestamp into a date object. This keeps time zone handling consistent. Once done, decide whether you want a date-only string, a date object normalized to midnight, or an epoch day integer. Each serves different needs. Make sure to handle null or malformed inputs immediately so the next transformations are deterministic and safe. Now remove the time by normalizing the parsed value. Explicitly set hours, minutes, seconds, and milliseconds to 00, 00, 00, or use a date-only API if available. This prevents hidden offsets. Apply either UTC or local normalization consistently. Mixing them introduces subtle bugs. Once normalized, return a new object or string instead of mutating inputs so callers cannot observe unexpected changes. If you need a compact representation, convert to YIMMDD or epoch day after normalization. Finish by formatting the normalized date to your target, a YIMMDD string, a date object set to midnight, or an epoch day. Then validate by round-tripping. Format the normalized value and parse it back to ensure equality. This catches representation mismatches. If things go wrong, check time zone handling and daylight saving offsets first because they're the usual culprits. Make sure consumers agree on UTC versus local semantics, if needed. Add explicit metadata to avoid future confusion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.